Did you know that pandas can actually sneeze up to 40 times in a single day? Yes, these adorable bears have an incredibly sensitive nose. While they munch on bamboo, particles can irritate their nasal passages, triggering this sneezing spree. It's quite the spectacle. Just picture a giant, fluffy bear letting out loud sneezes as it tries to enjoy its meal. How cute is that? Interestingly, sneezing also helps them clear their sinuses and keep their sense of smell sharp, which is essential for finding food and mates in the wild. Not only do they look endearing when they sneeze, but this behavior also plays an important role in their health. So next time you see a panda video online with one having a sneezing fit, just remember, it's not just funny, it's nature at work.